Now I am going to tell about arrays. An array is a data structure which stores a fixed size sequential collection of elements of same type. That is, array is a collection of variables of same type. The syntax of the array is type, array name, array size. If you want to declare individual variables like number 0, number 1, number 2 and so on, number 99, you can declare one array variable such as number of 100. This array holds 100 values in it. Next, we have to know how to initialize an array. We can initialize the array values either one by one or in a single statement, as int a of 5 equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here A is an array of integer data type. The size of this array is 5. That is, it can hold 5 elements like A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4. You can also initialize the each and every array variable separately. That is, A of 0 equal to 0, A of 1 equal to 1, A of 2 equal to 2, like that. Next, char B of 3 equal to x, y, z. Here B is a character array variable of size 3. That is, it can hold 3 values like x, y, z. The number of values between four brackets cannot be larger than the number of elements that we declare for the array between square brackets. I have written this program to explain the arrays. See the fifth line. I have declared one array variable A of integer data type. This array size is 5 and it contains the elements 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We can access these array elements by the index of the array, that is A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, like that. A of 0 is the first element of this array. Here A of 0 contains the value 10, A of 1 contains the value 11, A of 2 contains 12. To print these values, I am using cout statement. Now I will run the program. See, the array elements are displayed on the screen. Next, I will explain about strings. A string is a variable that contains a collection of characters surrounded by double quotes. The syntax of a string is string variable name equal to variable value. To use the strings, we must include an additional header file in the source code, the string library. Next, string concatenation. String concatenation means adding two strings to make a new string by using plus operator. Next, string length. To know the length of the string, we use the length function. This program will explain the strings. Here I have added string library in the third line. In the 6th and 7th lines, I have declared two strings as str1 equal to abcd, str2 equal to efgh. Next is the 8th and 9th lines. I am using cout statement to print these strings. In the 10th line, I am adding these two strings by using plus operator. Next, in the 11th line, I am using length function to display the length of the string. That is str1.length. Length is nothing but the number of characters in the string. Now I will run the program. This is the output of our program. See, the first string and second string values are displayed. Next, the concatenation of these two strings is displayed. That is abcdefgh is displayed. Next, the length of the first string is 4 is displayed. That is, the number of characters in the first string is 4. Next, I am going to explain the pointers. A pointer is a variable that stores the memory address of the another variable. They have data type just like variable. For example, an integer type pointer can hold the address of an integer variable, and character type pointer can hold the address of the character variable. The syntax of the pointer is type asterisk variable name. Here type is the pointer's data type and variable name is the name of the pointer variable. Here asterisk used to declare the pointer. Every variable is stored in a specific memory location. Every memory location has its address. A pointer holds this memory address. This program will explain the pointers. Here I have declared one variable as x equal to 10 in the 5th line. See the 6th line. Int asterisk ptr. Here ptr is a pointer variable of integer data type. Next, see the 7th line. Ptr equal to ampersand x. To get the address of any variable, we can use this ampersand. So, ampersand x contains the address of the variable x. We are assigning this value to the pointer in the 7th line. In the 8th line, I am writing cout statement to display the value of the variable x. See the 9th and 10th lines carefully. In the 9th line, I have written cout address stored in the ptr variable is ptr. Here, ptr contains the address of the variable x. So, when we run the program, the memory address of the variable x will be printed. See in the 10th line, cout value of the ptr variable is asterisk ptr. Here, asterisk ptr contains the value of the ptr. That means It contains the value 10. Now I will run the program. This is the output of our program. First, the value of the variable x is printed. Next, the address stored in the ptr variable is printed. This is the memory address of the variable x. Next, the value of the ptr variable is 10 is printed.